Hey guys, so for today we're going to be working on the 4th grade worksheet for week 3. Alright, so on our very first page we have order of operations, and what you need to remember for this is the word Pemdas. Now the word Pemdas I'll write over here. Pemdas stands for parenthesis, exponents, multiplications, divisions, addition, and subtraction. So P is parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, like that, addition, subtraction. Oops, I'll move this here for you to see. Oops, there we go. And then if I can't get it correctly, let me highlight this for you. Pemdas, alright? And the reason you need to remember this is because when we're doing an equation that looks like these, all these equations, we need to start from in order, from parentheses to exponents to multiplications, divisions, additions, and subtractions. Now, I don't see any exponents here, but exponents are the numbers that are right over here on top, on the corner of a number. Like, there could be like a 2 over there, or like a 4, usually a 2. So, first question, we see parentheses, these brackets right over here. Oh, not brackets, parentheses right over there. So, we always start with whatever's in the parentheses first. And so, in this case, we're going to have to start with this equation first. Now, within this equation, we have to start with the division first, because division comes before addition, right? This is before addition, and so we're going to divide first. So if we divide 56 and 4, 56 divided by 4, we are going to get 14. Okay, this is 14. And then we have plus 9 in a parenthesis. And because there's still a parenthesis, we're going to finish that first. So 14 plus 9 is going to be 23. Alright, so now this is going to be 23 minus, we have a division plus a subtraction. We're going to do the division first because it's before any subtractions. So if we divide 5 divided by 2, we're going to get 5. Now our equation is going to look like this, and we could just go across and finish our equation. So if we have 23 minus 5, I'm going to get 18. And 18 minus 1 is going to be 17. Alright, so our answer would be 17 for this. Okay. Now on to our next page. These are multiplication. If you do not know, when you do a multiplication, you're going to have to, here you go, line them up across. So like 47 times 94. Now in a multiplication, order doesn't matter. The bigger number, smaller number, it doesn't matter. Because you're just all multiplying all of them together. And so when you're multiplying, you're going to multiply these two first, and then these two second. So this is first, this is second. So if you multiply 4 times 7, we're going to get 28. And as you do an addition, The ones place goes here, the tens place goes up here. Now, 4 times 4, we're going to get 16. We're going to add just like we do in additions, 16 plus 2, which is going to be 18, I believe. Yes, 18. And now for the nines. Because this is in the tens place, right? Not in the ones place. We're going to add a 0 to the ones place. And we're going to do tens. So now we're going to do this first. And then this second, right? So if this is gone now. We already used it. If I do 9 times 7, I'm going to get 63. Oops. 63 here. 6 goes over here. Alright. And then if I do 9 times 4, I'm going to get 36. But I have to add this together as well. So 36 plus 6 is going to be 42. Right? Now we're going to add all this together. And we're going to just bring down the 8 because that's a 0. Now 8 plus 3, we're going to have 11. 1's over here. Move the 10 to the others. Move it up, across. So now we do 1 plus 1 plus 2, which is 4. There's nothing on top, so just bring the 4 down. And your answer for this is going to be 4,418. Alright, just like that, you could try all the other questions. And moving on to our next page, we have adding decimals. Alright, this should be pretty simple as well. Just as you are finding the missing number in a regular addition, like do not think about the decimal, it's not that big of a deal. You're going to be subtracting the added number with the total number to get our missing number. Alright? So now from here, if we do 7.62 minus 4.71, we're going to have to line up the decimals, remember. We're going to do 2 minus 1, which is 1. 6 minus 7 can't happen, so we're going to have to carry a 10 over here, right? And this is now going to be a 6. So now it's going to be 16. These two is going to be 16. And so we're going to do 16 minus 7, which is going to be 9. We can bring down the decimal point. And now we have 6 minus 4, which is going to be 2. And so our total is 2.191. Just like that, you'll be doing that to all the other questions as well. Alright, now moving on to our last one. I believe the last one should be fairly easy as well. It's mostly multiplication. So let's do number 2 this time, because I always did all number 1s. So in number 2, we have an average person can eat 4 slices of pizza per day. How many slices of pizza could a person eat in 13 days? So in one day, this box represents one day. If a person could eat 4 pizzas, then in 13 days, if every day a person could eat 14 pizzas, how many pizzas can a person eat, right? So to find the answer for this, we're just going to do 13 times 4, and we do 4 times 3, which is 12, 4 times 1, which is 4, add the 1, and what is going to be 5. And so if a person could eat 52 pizza, right, in 13 days. Alright,